If you are a vibe coder, you have probably been there. Everything starts off perfectly, but eventually the wheels fall off and your momentum completely dies. Every vibe coding video shows you which tool to open. Nobody shows you what to type, and what you type is everything. Same tool to different prompts. One gives you clean working code. One sends you into a 2-hour debug loop. These 7 techniques are organized by scenario because the right prompt depends on what situation you are in. Starting fresh, stuck on a bug, building a big feature, each one is a different approach. Let's initialize. Prompt 1. The role prompt. Before one line of code, tell the AI who it is. Give it a role, your stack, and your constraints. This sets the mental model for everything that follows in the session. Instead of saying build me a login page, you can say you are a senior front-end developer, stack, React plus Tailwind. Build a login page with email or password, error handling, loading state. Mobile first, accessible, no extra libraries. Prompt 2. The constraint prompt. AI loves to impress you with complexity. Tell it exactly what it cannot use. Constraints produce cleaner code than instructions. Vanilla JS and HTML only. No libraries, no frameworks. Under 100 lines. Use local storage, nothing else. Prompt 3. The rubber duck prompt. Don't say fix this. Say diagnose this first. Then fix it step by step. It forces AI to actually think instead of guess. Before fixing anything, explain in plain English what you think is causing this error and why. Then fix it step by step, explaining each change. Prompt 4. The incremental prompt. One big prompt is equal to one big mess. One step at a time is equal to code that connects, makes sense, and does not contradict itself 3 files in. Step 1 only. Build the sign up form UI with validation. No backend yet. I will ask for the next step after you finish this. Prompt 5. The review prompt. Ask AI to roast your code before you ship it, not improve it. Find everything wrong with it. You will catch the things that would take hours to find in production. Don't fix yet, just list everything wrong. Prompt 6. The explain first prompt. This is the difference between someone who uses AI and someone who grows with AI. Make it teach before it builds. You will understand the code you are shipping, which means you can actually modify it. Explain first prompt. Before giving me code, explain in 5 bullet points how this works and what each part does. Then write the code with inline comments on every important line. Prompt 7. The context bomb. AI has zero memory between sessions. Without this, every new session starts cold and makes wrong assumptions. The context bomb is a template you paste at the start of every session. 30 seconds saves hours. Project name, stack, what's built so far, today's goal, rules to AI. Ask before adding any new dependency. Okay, you now have 7 techniques, but here's what I didn't tell you at the start. There is a step that happens before all of them, and once you see it, you will never open a coding tool the same way again. Every single project I build now starts with one prompt, not a code prompt, an interview prompt. You are a senior product manager. I have an idea for an app, but I haven't fully thought it through. Your job is to interview me. Ask me one question at a time until you understand the goal, the users, the core features, the edge cases, and the constraints. Once you feel you have enough, stop asking and generate a complete PRD. Goals, user stories, feature lists, tech stacks, recommendations, unknown risk. Start with your first question now. Watch what happens. The AI doesn't build anything yet. It asks you questions. What problems does this solve? Who is your user? What does success look like in 30 days? And you just answer like a conversation. Then it synthesizes everything you said into a structured document, a real product requirements document, PRD. That PRD becomes your context bomb for every single session that follows. You paste it at the start. The AI always knows the full picture. No wrong assumption, no half-built features going in the wrong direction. This is how professional teams work, and now you have the same system for free in 10 minutes before writing a single line of code. That's the full system. 7 techniques for every scenario and one golden prompt that sets up the entire project before you touch a single tool. This is how you vibe code like a professional, not like someone guessing. That's it. Go build.